We are solving question 33 of GATE 2012 chemical engineering paper. The question is, for the enclosure formed between two concentric spheres as shown below, where R2 is equal to twice of R1, the fraction of radiation leaving surface area A2 that strikes itself is, we have to find that value. So let's look at the solution. Here we have been given two concentric spheres. The radius of second is twice of R1. So this is the outer sphere is R2, inner sphere is 1, and the radiation is occurring in the space enclosed between them. And we have been asked to find the fraction of radiation leaving surface area A2 that strikes itself. That is, basically we have to find F22. Now, for this radiation view factor, we know this relation from the additivity rule. We can write that F11 plus F12 is equal to 1. Also, we can write F21 plus F22 is equal to 1. Now, let's take the first equation. Now, that is F11 plus F12 is equal to 1. Now, we have to find this F11, that is basically the fraction of radiations that are leaving the surface area 1 and again reaching surface area 1. Now, since we can see that radiation is occurring in the enclosed space, so if a radiation leaves this first surface, so it won't again come back to this again first surface. That is F11 will be 0. This will happen for any radiation that is being emitted from this first sphere, outer surface of the first sphere. That is F11 is 0. So we can write F0 plus F12 is equal to 1. That implies F12 will be 1. Now we can use this reciprocity theorem. Reciprocity theorem to find this F21 value. So according to this theorem, A1 F12 is equal to A2 F21. So we need to find F21. That is, we can write it as A1 upon A2 into F12. Now A1 is 4 pi R1 square upon A2 will be 4 pi. The radius becomes twice. Will be 4 pi twice of R1 square into F12. That is 1 upon 4, and F12 we have find it out as 1. So F21 will be 1 by 4. Now again we will be using this equation, that is for second surface F21 plus F22 is equal to 1. F21 we found out as 1 by 4 plus F22 is equal to 1. That is fraction of energy leaving surface 2 and again reaching surface 2 is 1 minus 1 by 4. It will be 3 by 4. So our final answer is 3 by 4. And from the given option, we can select option D as the correct answer.